Hi, this is Debbie and Ed with I'd Rather Be Camping, and I thought I would give you a tour of the house all decked up for the summer. We'll start out here where you come up to walk in. I did some little, actually Ed cut these bees out. I painted them and did a sign with my cricket and some things for the door. As you can see, the theme is going to be bees and sunflowers and lemons. That's what we're going with. Excuse the noise out here, but we'll go in. This is the foyer, and that's the doodle, Andy, waiting. And over to your left is just a little table, entry table. Sorry about the noise. And I used a lot of stuff I had from last year. This is a picture of a beehive that I actually got at Goodwill. And then just with some flowers and stuff and lemons in the glass, and my Ed made this little corbel, and that's Annie. Andy, stop. And then over here is just our hat rack. And I didn't do hardly anything over here. I just added that. That's all that's going on over here. And we don't get up there too often, so high up. That requires a ladder and all. There's my little willow figurines in the cabinet Ed made. I did put twinkle lights in there, but there's nothing else that I put in there. This is how it pretty much is all the time, and I really didn't do much on top of it because basically I have a bum knee and kind of ran out of time. I wanted to get this up and can't do too much right now. This used to be a TV cabinet, which we converted and cut and changed up and moved in here. And I made the Be Happy and Sweet as Can Be and Be Kind signs out of scrap wood. So really this is a very friendly budget summer decorating. The pillows I had from last year, and just brought those back out. Nothing much going on over in the corner over here, just more pillows and things. It was more over on the fireplace and this mantle. That's a little box, like kind of like a trough that Ed made out of old fence boards, and I just filled it full of the plants, and you got to have twinkle lights, right? And sunflowers, and that's what I did on that. Keep it somewhat simple. This we change out, this little trough, we'll change it out with pumpkins or whatever the season is. And then over here, this area, which is so hard to find anything. I actually want to turn this into a seating area, but it is so hard to find something to put over in this area. So I just made the flower arrangement with my buffalo check runner, we did just redo this table not long ago, maybe 3 months ago. It was completely, we had painted it all white and decided to go with a wood top. It used to be in my sunroom, but the sunroom is now a craft room. And then over here, just some candles, magazines, and my little truck I put lemons in. This truck was black. I painted it white. I think it looks cuter white. I think things show up in it better. And then up here, the greenery is pretty much up there all the time. I just added in the sunflowers, and I did find these little cloth ball garland, I guess you call it, at Hobby Lobby. And I put those up to kind of bring it together. And I just have a little, that's what that looks like. And then I have another little table over here, kind of behind this table. Okay, and over here is another little table. And I just put a sunflower up there and some seashells to bring in the summer, because frankly I don't really have a lot of stuff. I don't want to get any more stuff, and I can't do anything right now with my knee. That's what's going on over here. In this fireplace, this is why it's kind of hard to get a like a seating arrangement. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. This fireplace is curved, and it's really a large fireplace, but it's fun. Ed built, it had no mantle. I built the mantle out on there so we could put things up there. It's been fun. And then we'll go into the kitchen. Here is not much going on in the kitchen. Ed's getting ready to cook us some enchilada casserole, right, Ed?
Yes.
Just put this little arrangement on that little table, which Ed made just about, I think, a week ago. I thought it was cute. And I made this little sign, again with scrap board. And then just some kitchen towels and this little Oh Sweet Summer sign, which is from the dollar store. I've had probably for 2 or 3 years. That's what's going here. And then the dining room, I don't know if you've seen the hutch makeover, but it used to be all white, including the top. So we did a complete makeover on it. It looks completely different, if you'd like to check that out. And I decorated it with the bumblebees and lemons, of course, and I made some beads, wood beads, to try to pull it out. Most of this stuff I already had, quite a bit of it I already had. But that's what's going on over here. Just an assortment of stuff. I like the farm style, which I wanted to keep incorporated with all of what I was bringing out. That sign was a picture I got from Goodwill, and just used my Cricut and made that. That's what's going on over there. And my little succulent, that is real, with a little bee pot. And that's the hutch. We'll get back, and I'll maybe get back from it and give you an overview of it. And that'll be better. Have it in reverse. He's doing the filming because I'm not able to walk that great. And this was an old window, and I just put some chicken wire behind it and made the little corbels and put a shelf on it. We can't have anything really coming out too far because obviously our little dinette set is here. This opens up to a big one, but with COVID, we haven't really had too much company, haven't done much. So we shrunk it down into just the little round table. And the plates and glasses came from the dollar store. I'm sure you've seen those. I think I bought those last year also. So, and then the little cutting table, Ed actually just made that yesterday again out of some scrap wood. And I thought it was cute, and I thought that was the perfect place for it. And that's our pocket door. We always change things out on it. Right now, nothing fancy, just hello summer. And this is our coffee bar section. This is where all of the good morning stuff happens over here. So I have a tier tray, which I put, those are real lemons. I don't know why real orange, but I made some signs and the sign up over the shelf. And there's the little coffee cups that are hanging there also came from the dollar store. Well, and these are the only rooms I did. I didn't go into the bedrooms or the bathroom or even down the hall. Yep, it is definitely summer. We've had it actually really nice here. It was actually in the high 70s. And it is starting to warm up. I believe this is just a little a cart with Andy that we put our vegetables or fruit or whatever on. Ed also made it out of old fence boards. But anyway, what I was saying is I believe it's supposed to be 110 by Friday. So it's going to be I think the heat wave is going to last about 5 days. But that will be it. Thought I would just do a quick summer tour before it really got too late. You know, with hurting my knee and everything. What does it say? Take if you are served lemons, make something sweet. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this summer tour.